Hello parents and welcome to Spell O Fun. Alright, so in today's video I am going to explain all the junior parents about the working part of our class. So the first 2 weeks when we commence with the sessions, the children enter the class and they sit randomly with the teacher that's available. After the first 2 weeks, the final schedule is made wherein 6 babies are allotted to one teacher. Those group of 6 children, which is decided by me along with the teacher, would remain the same for the entire academic year, so we can track the progress of the child. Also, the place of their sitting, the 6 babies with their one teacher, would remain the same for the entire year, so they are comfortable, they know where they have to sit and settle. Number 1. Now, in each batch we have 7 teachers that are conducting the batch, plus 2 teachers, which includes me and one of my coordinator. We both are supervising the class very thoroughly. Alright, so every batch almost has 9 teachers with 2 supervisors, that includes me in every single batch, so we can track and understand each and every child. Alright, now we have distributed these books to the children. Now what the parents need to do is, the first thing, write the full name of the child, name, middle name, last name, contact number, school's name with a black permanent marker. If there is any medical information that you need to bring it to our notice, please write it down and you can show it to the coordinator or explain the coordinator to just go through the medical information that's noted by the parent. We shall observe if there is anything that needs to be brought to our notice, so we can take care of it for the entire year. Yeah. Then we have this attendance chart. So for every session the child comes, we put a tick mark according to the session number, so we know how regular the child has been. And of course, it's been told to all the parents, please do not worry if there is any child who has missed any story, any explanation, anything and couldn't come after. Of course, we are going to start giving the adjustment sessions after a month, but if the child has missed the adjustment session, the child will sit next to me or the coordinator and we will make sure that we make the child explain everything that the child has missed, because we have to connect all the dots. We cannot let any dot loose. We have to make sure that each and every story is explained if the child has missed a particular session. Alright, this is for my teachers. If there is anything that we need to note here, we will note it, and we will also make you wait after the class. We will call you inside and we will explain you what note we have mentioned here in regards to, say, a pronunciation issue with a child. For example, your child is having any sort of speech problem, we will be noting here. But after noting, we will make sure that we call you inside, we speak to you personally about the note that is mentioned here. So it's going to be a very, very systematic year with the children. Alright, now we have something called as the bedtime reading logs. Alright, now what are the junior parents supposed to do? Now the babies are very small, okay, they cannot take the book and read by themselves because that is not possible, too young, correct? So every day, every night before bedtime, the parent is requested to take out time from their busy schedule. Let the child pick out one book from the library that you have made in your house. If you haven't, try and invest in 5-6 books, whatever the child likes, but make sure you have few books at home. Let the child pick the favorite book for the day. Let the child read. Of course, the child is not going to read here. What a parent has to do is, a parent has to read it to the child every night for bedtime. So read a page or read few pages depending on the time, the likeliness of the child and according to the convenience, but make sure you read something, even one page is okay, but something is to be read for the children. All right, now, so if your child read yesterday, you will note the date and sign. Please make a note that each row in the log has to be only filled once, as the bedtime reading would occur only once daily. So this has to be done on every column that they complete. We are going to give them teeny tiny gifts for encouragement. So yes, bedtime reading, a ritual for all the parents. Mentioning again, the kids are too young to read by themselves. Let them pick their favorite book of the day and make sure you read it to them at night. The parents have to read it for their children. Thank you.